Honesty is the foundation of recovery. Without it, the walls of denial, fear, and shame keep us locked in cycles of pain. But when we choose to embrace honesty about our struggles, our failures, and even our emotions, we begin a journey of true healing. As Jesus said in John chapter 8, verse 32, "Then you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." That freedom begins when we face the truth head-on. Honesty with yourself, with others, and with God is not just a virtue, it's a necessity for growth and transformation. Honesty in recovery means taking responsibility for your actions and letting go of the lies addiction has told you. It's about acknowledging, yes, I am struggling. Yes, I need help. This step is hard, but it's the first step toward freedom. In James chapter 5, verse 16, we're reminded to confess your sins to each other and pray for each other so that you may be healed. Honesty brings healing because it breaks the chains of secrecy and opens the door for forgiveness and restoration. What does honesty look like in practice? It's facing the reality of addiction and admitting that you need support. It's confessing your struggles to God in prayer, trusting that He already knows your heart and still loves you unconditionally. It's telling the truth to others, even when it feels vulnerable, so you can rebuild trust and strengthen relationships. Proverbs chapter 28, verse 13 reminds us, "Whoever conceals their sins does not prosper, but the one who confesses and renounces them finds mercy." Honesty transforms you. It brings incredible benefits like relief from guilt and shame, deeper connections with others, and inner peace. It also strengthens your relationship with God. In Psalm 51, verse 6, we hear, "Surely you desire truth in the inner parts. You teach me wisdom in the inmost place." When you choose honesty, you allow God to teach you and guide you. It's not about perfection. It's about taking one step closer to living a life of integrity and purpose. So how do you practice honesty in recovery? Start by being honest with yourself. Journal your struggles, your fears, and your hopes. Be honest with God, pray openly, sharing every detail, and ask Him for guidance. Find someone you trust, a mentor, sponsor, or friend, and share your story. Accountability strengthens honesty and keeps you grounded. The emphasis is rigorous honesty in step 4, taking a fearless moral inventory. Writing down your fears, resentments, and mistakes isn't about punishment, it's about freeing yourself from the weight of secrecy. Honesty doesn't just bring personal healing, it restores relationships. It shows others that you are serious about changing and invites forgiveness and trust. More importantly, honesty aligns you with God's will, creating a deeper sense of peace and purpose. Take a moment to reflect. What truths have you been avoiding? Who can you share your story with to start rebuilding trust? How can honesty help you grow closer to God? Healing begins with honesty. It's a powerful step that leads to transformation and freedom. If you're looking for inspiration and guidance on your recovery journey, check out my book. It's filled with lessons and stories that can help you take those steps toward lasting change. Visit www.hustleheavenlyinc.com to get your copy today. Look for our next lesson on day 7, where we'll explore the power of humility in recovery. Your journey is worth it. Keep going, one honest step at a time.